I've got a great tip for you today. One of the things that I find really important is to have an organized kitchen. Something that really works for how I cook and how I move around. I'm Adeline Omer from French Secrets, and I'm going to show you how to store your garbage bags without having to take up space or go anywhere to get them, okay? So I'm going to move this down a little bit so you can see. And here's the garbage. I have recycling and I have the regular garbage. So pretend this is full and just pull it off, close it up, and guess what? This is where I store the garbage bags. I just pull one off. It doesn't really take up any room. I open it up, right? Put it back in. 2 seconds, you're done. There you go. All right, I'm gonna pull you back up again. So that was easy and simple, and you don't have to worry about where you're gonna put it and go running to get one. It's just easy, and that's what tips are about. So if you want more tips like this about food, about just how to organize your kitchen, how to entertain, garden stuff, go to my website, french-secrets.com, and sign up for our mailing list, and we'll send you some more tips. They usually come out about once a week, and while you're there, look around, see what other tips are there and what recipes, and there's lots of stuff, okay? I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.